Hi, I'm Linda Branagan and I'm at the University of Maryland Research Garden. Today we're going to be harvesting potatoes. I know that it's time to harvest because the plants have died back. The plants were up this tall or so, and now you can barely see the foliage, so it's dying back. This is the no-dig garden plot. We just put the potato seeds right on top and just covered it with straw. So now it's time to harvest them. So I'm going to move away the mulch. Some of the potatoes I can see already, they're just sitting right on the top, and use my garden fork. So you want to be careful when you're digging for potatoes. They could be close to the plant or out pretty far. So some of them are smaller, probably could have waited a little bit longer, but they all look pretty good. The no-dig method, makes it so that they're just really sitting on the top. I don't have to dig very far. Dead or dying plant, and there's a bunch of potatoes holding on to the roots. All sorts of different sizes, so it makes it nice for when you're going to prepare a meal. Alright, that looks like all of the potatoes in the no-dig plot. So we'll move on to the raised bed. Okay, this is our raised bed, and we planted corolla potatoes here, and these were planted in April 19th, and they've died back nicely, so we'll see what we have. A corolla is a nice yellow potato. Even though these are a different type of potato, you harvest them the same way. And again, this is our raised bed. I've got my garden fork and just go down gently. You want to be careful. There's one. Some nice potatoes. Now, as far as cleaning them up, you don't want to use any water. Just brush them off and then just let them dry out for a few days. Then you can store them. You can kind of feel, if you tug on the plant, whether it's going to give way or not. There you go. That's a nice bunch of potatoes right there. And they all look pretty near perfect. I don't see any insect damage. One of the benefits of a raised bed is that it's very easy to harvest. The dead potato plant or dead foliage can go right into the compost pile. I'll break it up a little bit, and so there's no waste. We've tried growing potatoes in containers, and these are all blue potatoes. Very tiny, very tiny, very few. And I'm wondering if we had left it, if they would have been larger. This is our compost bin, and we grew potatoes in it. I just covered it with mulch and watered it, and basically just let it alone. So let's see what we have here. And I planted 4 potato seeds in here back in April. Here we go. Nice potatoes. We would call these new potatoes. They're really tiny, still great. This hasn't died back as much as the no dig, and I'm wondering if we had left it, if they would have been larger.